Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to create a PayPal account in the UK step by step. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Once the website opens, click on Sign Up. Now select the type of account you want to register. Choose Personal Account and then click on Get Started. Next, enter your email address and click Next. One important thing to note is that you can use the same login details to access PayPal on the mobile app as well. At the top of the screen, make sure your country is set to the United Kingdom. After that, enter your UK phone number and click Next. PayPal will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code to confirm your number. Now you'll be asked to create a password. Choose a strong password and click Next. On the next page, fill in your personal information, then click Next again. After that, enter your home address. In most cases, PayPal will automatically detect your address, but if it doesn't, you can type it in manually. Once done, agree to PayPal's terms and conditions, then click Agree and create account. Your PayPal account is now almost ready. PayPal may ask you to add a payment method, such as a debit or credit card. You can add it now if you want, or simply skip this step and do it later. Now, if you go back to paypal.com, you'll see that you are automatically logged in. This is your PayPal dashboard, where you can send money, receive payments, and manage your account. And that's it. You've successfully created a PayPal account in the UK. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.